Tewkesbury Nature Reserve provides a valuable place for us to get outdoors and enjoy the fresh air, and plays a vital role in absorbing the floodwaters that might otherwise engulf the town. It is also exceptionally important for wildlife conservation. Watching the water flow across the meadow after heavy rain, you might be forgiven for wondering exactly what wildlife can cope with this. However, there is quite a lot going on under the cover of darkness. Many visitors will be familiar with Dave, the heron, who stalks the riverbanks in search of tasty frogs. Some may also have seen the fox during the day. The reserve is also home to a less familiar and more elusive resident that few are lucky enough to get a glimpse of, the otter. This footage of otters on the reserve was recorded by the reserve team using night vision cameras to try and understand a bit more about how we can manage the reserve and continue to support them. Otters underwent a catastrophic decline and disappeared from many rivers in Britain in the mid-20th century, and although they have subsequently recovered, they are vulnerable to many threats and are listed as near threatened on the IUCN Red List. Otters need clean, unpolluted water with a varied supply of food. They also need dense, undisturbed bankside vegetation for resting and breeding. The presence of otters on Tewkesbury Nature Reserve is a great sign that our hard work in managing the reserve is paying off. However, we need continued support from our community in maintaining undisturbed river habitats for otters and other wildlife, and to ensure that these are maintained for future generations to enjoy.